Uhuru Kenyatta at the Bomas of Kenya on the 22nd of this month. Now, the meeting comes less than 48 hours after Yala Member of Parliament Kanini Kega sent a gazette notice cancelling the party's NDC and signed it as the acting Secretary General. Let's cross over to the party headquarters in Kilimani, Nairobi. I understand Jeremiah Kioni is currently talking. Let's listen.
21 members. We have also clarified to our members that when you hear somebody calling himself acting party leader, acting national secretary, security council, something like that, we do not have positions of acting in our party. In fact, we don't have anything called like a national secretary general. Those are parties that maybe they are intending to form. They may have those titles, but the party that we belong to don't have those titles. It is also necessary for you to know how sad it is for this country. As we are seated or studying or speaking to you today, Sahi, you go to Gracia, is it called Gracia Hotel? Gracia Hotel, near Yaya Center. Now, one of the internal disciplinary committee meeting is taking place there. The whole hotel was taken over for the whole week. And kila siku kuna askari. Na yale ambao wanajadili ni kuhusu disciplinary ya members of the party. This is an absurdity. Every party organ is supposed to operate from the headquarter. The question that you need to ask yourself, ama ile unataka kujiuliza, kule mkahawa wamechukua kwa wiki mzima na ambayo inaridwa na askari vikosi viwili, ili sisi tusikaribie kule, nani analipia? Mwenye analipia sio mwenye huyo hao watu ambao wako kule. Yale ule uamuzi watatoa utaligana na mwenye wanalipia. Whoever pays the piper calls the tune. Chairman anauliza lazima tujue mwenye umbwa na you don't need to ask beyond there. Kwa hivyo haya ni mambo mengi ambayo kati ya yale tumezungumzia. But we also went ahead and also said this. When you have been nominated as a member of parliament, as a member of the county assembly, your loyalty is to the pen that nominated you. All those people are nominated by the party leader. Wale wengine sisi ni watu wa mkono. And when you go around and start stabbing him at the back, it is a very dangerous thing. Lingine ambao tumesema ambao ni ya maajabu is the level of disloyalty that is in the country. Not just within Jubilee, but how people turn around quickly and even betray those who are given them responsibility to speak or to act on their behalf. Members of parliament are elected on a given party. If you choose to go to the other party, you have to go to the people who had sent you to parliament in the first place. Lazima urudi kwa wananchi wa kupigie kula kupitia chama ambacho sasa unaona ndicho kinafaa kuliko kile ulifanya kampeni nacho hapo beleni. Kwa hivyo yale ambayo yanazungumziwa katika maandamano, sisi katika muungano wa Jubilee ama katika chama ya Jubilee na sisi ambao tumekuwa kwa huu mkutano tunakubaliana nayo na tutaendelea kuwa katika yale ambayo yatapitishwa na Azimio kwa kila wakati. And we are also asking the Azimio leadership that Jubilee, the difficulties that we are going through that have been occasioned by others outside Jubilee, wale ambao wako kwa serikali wakati huu ambao waliingia na ile njia waliingia nayo, wale ambao wako katika maofisi za serikali ambao wanahakikisha kwamba hii vita inaendelea kwa sababu pengine hapo ndio kuna maana ama manufaa kwao. Tumekubaliana ya kwamba Jubilee mambo ya Azimio sisi pia tunaitaka iwekwe katika orodha kipaumbele. Baada cost of living, we want wale ambao wanaharibu Jubilee pia tuseme ya kwamba we cannot agree to continue having things as normal if political parties that are supposed to fight for the voiceless are being fought or being dismantled. So after the cost of living, we want multi-party democracy. Respect for Jubilee must be